Hey, what's up? I'm Kaitlyn.
Ice on my neck, that's coming. I'm a pretty boy, I'm stunning.
To anyone seeing this, watching, hey, what's up? Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because I'm really trying to post more, really trying to like grow my channel, and I could use all the support I can get, so it means the world to me. And also comment down below. What did I just say? Comment down below your zodiac. I'm Gemini, which like I know everyone's just like, Geminis are awesome though, okay? Like actually, this is my birthday haul, as you can tell from the title. Just disclaimer, some of these items are not like things I directly got on my birthday. Like I have spent some of my birthday money, and like, so this is, yeah, okay, it's collective, and some things are, some things aren't. Of course, I am so grateful for everything that I did receive, and I don't want to like sit here and it at all to seem like I'm trying to brag and show off. Like, that's not who I am, and I don't want anyone to take it that way. I'm gonna show like what I'm wearing currently because I actually wore this on my birthday. It's this pink set, which I will try it on, like I'll do a try on portion, but it's from Mad Love, and the girl is like really young and did this all herself, which is really cool to like support her. I bought this myself actually, so not birthday, but anyways. Relax, Sean B. Get your I love it so much. It came in this like bag. So Von Dutch is like a very like Y2K designer. Euphoria. Alexa Demi, she's like a style icon, and she like there's photos of her like in the early 2000s like wearing Von Dutch, and Von Dutch is so cool. And this purse is just so me. My car, which I actually got last year for my birthday, but my car is like red and black interior, so like my style is like very like, I know like I'm wearing pink, but I never wear pink. Like, this is very weird for me. Look at this baby, and look at that, look at it. It's an eye, like not a skull, an eyeball with angel wings, and it's just a perfect size. It's a little bowling bag, so you can take this thingy off or have it on. And then the pants, and so they're like, it's Adidas worked with this Italian brand called, let's see if I can, my friend who's Italian like literally lives in Italy. She told me how to pronounce it. It's like Fiorucci, hope so. Fiorucci, I think that's how you say it. So it's like Fiorucci, like this designer, worked with Adidas, and these pants are so sick. They're very long and wide leg, which I'm 5'8", so like they definitely like fit me in length. So there's so many cool details on it. Got hearts and shapes and stuff like all throughout the pants. But oh, this one's cool. Okay, I found the one that was like, I have to have these pants. So it says, "A kiss saves the day," which I just thought was so adorable. So from this brand called Frankie Collective, they have some of the coolest stuff, and I love their brand. Like, they just stand for so many great things. Everything's like recycled, and so just very sustainable. The label says Frankie, and literally I love their brand. So I got this shirt, which is like very big print, like definitely like bold statement. So cool. It has all these like 90s like images. There's Naomi, a photo of Clueless, there's like Paris Hilton. Unfortunately mine, I think if I got a larger size it probably would have shown, but I got my normal size, is small, and that's Paris Hilton, her head. I know that there's other Paris Hilton icons or like little photos, prints of different things, and I think there's like Lindsay on here, 90s and early 2000s stuff. This is like one of the coolest items ever. Practically a Princess Polly haul now because I am obsessed with Princess Polly. Okay, so this first thing reminds me a lot of like Bella Hadid. This is very much my style. It's very like swanky, and just so like, I don't even know how to describe it really, but this little fur sweater thingy. It's a little black sweater with this fur collar down it. I wore this on my birthday also, with little fur cuff sleeves, which is the cutest thing ever. One of the cutest details. Unfortunately, like I got my size like a small, and it like is a little bit like tighter than I thought it would be. Maybe size up. But next one, ow, for some reason my jaw started hurting really bad. Jeez. Okay, so I have this dress also from Princess Polly, and it's this black floral dress, which I think would look really good with some Doc Martens. I'm not into floral print like at all. Like, I don't know, I don't dress like super girly, even though once again I'm wearing full pink today, but and like my eyes and stuff, which also I'm not wearing mascara and it looks really weird. I'm sure like watching this on camera my eyes look weird, but it's only because like I'm getting photos done soon, senior photos, and I don't want like the crusty mascara like stuck on my eyelashes. You know, I don't like the way my eyes look right now. But this is black floral dress, and it's a very like, it could be very casual or like more dressy, so I like it. I'm gonna next two tops are the same style, and they're literally like, you're probably like, that's a top. Barely. It's like a square, so it's a square of fabric. Animal print has been my new favorite thing. I think it's so cool. And so it's this little scarf top, and yeah, it's very small, but it's like a tiger print. It's really cool. So it's this little lilac glitter top, and it has a little tassel and the chain and a grommet. I actually have pants they're from Revolve, but they are really similar purple, like just slightly different, but it's the sparkle purple pattern, so like maybe I could wear that together. The next thing is this beautiful satin or silk dress, and it's like a champagne color. It's just very classy, swanky, you know, my favorite words at this point, classy. Yeah, it's just like kind of off the shoulder, and it's just so elegant, and I can't wait to wear this. Don't know where exactly at this point, like with everything going on, but I usually would go to plays and we would get all dressed up, so to those days. Green like trench coat, army green, which I don't have enough green in my closet, so that's really cool. And it has this little belt. It's like a trench dress, so this is technically a dress, and you could wear it as a dress, or you could wear it as a very oversized jacket, but I mean, I'd probably wear it as a dress. This top, I actually thought it was beige, and then when it came in the mail it was pink, but I mean, it's fine. So it's just this long sleeve, just like a basic top, and it has like a really cool pattern and cute little sleeves. This next skirt is literally like, so Maddie Perez, like Euphoria, she wears this in a dress, but it's practically like the same pattern in a skirt, like a long skirt with a little slit, so that's cute. I don't want to say cute a million times, and I hopefully did not. Is from Verge Girl. Literally took a month for these to come in the mail, but I love Verge Girl. Like, their clothes are really cute, and they're very like Gossip Girl inspired, and they're just starting to take off as a brand, so that's exciting. Yeah, so they're literally called Disco Fever, and they're these black flares, and this is just so cool, like the little chain and buttons, just a simple detail, but can pair with a bunch of things. Got this beautiful red silk dress. Like I said, red's my favorite color. And then these earrings, this is from Urban Outfitters. This is from like a website, a Pretty Little Thing, and it's too big, like I don't like the size, so I don't know, but it's like this Greek print, which is so cool. I think it's very cool, like Versace-esque. From some friends, because I didn't really spend, like, I didn't do like a huge party this year because of everything going on. Cute bags from one of my friends. And okay, wait, I don't want to like expose my friend, so it's like a little frame. Not that like I just don't want to like make, I don't, in my videos I don't really like show my friends just because I don't want to like force anyone, you know. Just that I love like cherry stuff. So there's this little necklace and then little gold cherry earrings, which around my birthday I got my second piercing done. I didn't realize like I'd be stuck with the blue, but it's been 2 months now, so I can finally change them. Face mask, I think it's holographic, from one of my friends. It's a bunch of items that are all red. So my favorite color is red, so she did like a red theme, as I've already mentioned 10 billion times. And anyone who knows me knows my favorite color is red. So there's like this cashmere rose. Cashmere is so nice. Other cute items. I'm dropping everything. What's this? Let me describe this scent. I don't know how to describe that at all. This smells amazing. I think this is like a lotion or body butter, and it's a berry, so it's raspberry, blueberry, coconut, and strawberry. I would eat this. Like, I would literally drink this as a smoothie. It smells so good. Oh my god. Okay, and then one of my other friends, like I said, like my friends know my favorite color is red. And she knows me so well. So another one of my friends got me a steering wheel that has rhinestones and it's red. And just look at that. So I'm gonna put this on soon. That's the haul. There's another haul that I want to film. It's not like birthday stuff, like just another haul. I don't know if I should, because some of the items are like I got a while ago. There's literally a piece of dust, like, I swear. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. I really do want to work hard on building this channel, so it means that there's literally a piece of dust. Like, there's literally a piece of dust floating around here and it's bothering me. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, also I do not mean this to brag at all.